Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today ngifuna ukureacta kwi-single entsha ephumile kaMthandeni after silinde i-album. Salinde i-album kwaze kwasa ngoLwesihlanu. So i-album it was supposed to drop mhla 28 November. Last week Friday, but ayikaphumi-ke, so akayikhiphi i-reason ephelele, but uke wathi no ulwa nesystem bafunisa i-deal, so i-album ayikwazi ukuphuma namanje akwazi izophuma nini. I-album bekade kumele iphume ngoLwesihlanu igcina nciwa uMthandeni-ke siyazi ukuthi bekade ike yaba khona into ekanje before uke wakhipha i-EP nakwaney'nkinga zakhona baphinde bayidelete kuma-digital platform. So I think ikhona isho ekhona laphana, khona into abafuna umsayinisa wona u-SK and uyalwa, and lento yokuba independent abantu abaningi abasebenzeli ku-music, so angazi uJayla mhlawumbe uzoyiwina le mpi yakhe, but-ke thina as ama-fans amaskandi sifuna nje ukuzo album kuphela, asinazo iy'tori ey'ningi. But I think ma-distribution deal kumele isayine, because lento eseyenzakala siqala uba yihlaza yabo, ayikho professional esayidini lakhe as i-brand esenkulu yabo, umuntu sesezingeni lakhe makwenzeka into enjeyana kublemeka yena. Mhlawumbe bekhona abantu aba-behind the scenes akumele ngabe ibona abalungisa lezi zinto. So mina bengithi mina mayikhona i-deal akayisayine because akana-choice. Abantu bama-record label obvious i-system ifavor bona, ma uyi-artist usuke uzobhenefithe njengabo. So I think mhlawumbe kumele sayine i-deal because lento isenzakale yihlaza ukuthi abalandeli belinde i-album kuze kuphele iviki no-update nangoLwesihlanu this coming Friday ayazi ukuthi izophuma. But-ke back to the song le iphumile, ingoma iphumile ngizwile compared to iGucci. I think iGucci is much better than this one because bapeke bayenza ingoma enoma before iGucci. Le ngizwile ikhethi yona izojwayeleka lula, but I think iyalekha i-production lakhe ayizwakali like ngathi akuyona ingoma maskandi. But-ke vele uMthandeni lo maskandi lo uthi usofuse wathatha abantu abangekho maskandi abafaka laphana, but I feel like i-production yakhona ibalansanga. Even if yaphuma I don't think ezoba bigger than ingoma le mafikizolo le ethi uNcinwa Nyoko. So I don't think ube nayo i-chance song of the year ngoba ishilo wathi no uzodidela abafana abancane lise, but I don't think be possible ngale ngoma yakhe lana. No, ayiyona lento akacabanga ukuthi iyona ingoma yakhe, but-ke i-album usayilindile because ikhona le ingoma ekhipha igcina nci ngizwile le ngoma ngithandile ibalance le, but liswane enoma no mhlawumbe isazojwayeleka, but I feel like ngathi ayiyona lento ithi silindile. Mhlawumbe besilindele likhulu because of iGucci. So nje mina mhlawumbe ngayirate ngenezo 5 out of 10 because no angizwanga kahle, but ngisayilele mhlawumbe nami kabili kathathu. So mhlawumbe ngisazoshutha umqondo le, but nje I don't think i-powerful njengalendlela kade esho ngayo. But-ke i-album iseza, so ilinda asazi ukuthi uzophuma ne-album, so salindile namanje ukuthi i-album iphume. But le nto yama-deal I think ithanda uba deep, and uBig Zulu kwamneza advise wathi akasayine i-deal. So I think into personal laphana mhlawumbe ama-record label amakhulu afana nabo so no-Universal, because labo bantu when it's coming to ama-music streams bafuna kubenefithe bona and bahlezi bewina yilo bhekhle. So I don't think i-idea yakhe lokhu ngasayinelwe egoli izomsiza in a long run because labo bantu ba-powerful-ke. But-ke usayibambile impi akabadingi ngaleyo ndlela, but I know mawuthi ulwa namadoda amakhulu kumele sayine la madoda lawo they can play dates, kungaze kwenza lezi zinye izinto just ukusayina i-deal iqhubeke benefit. But nami ngombono wami nguSpeaker Nawe, sekhona ku-Twitter ethi Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-Facebook siSpeaker Nawe, sikhona ku-TikTok siSpeaker Nawe, ku-Twitch siSpeaker Nawe, no-Instagram siSpeaker Nawe.